Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the realm of mobile life, the fictitious 2026 Brabus Royal Caravan is the pinnacle of performance and luxury. This vehicle, which was designed as a centerpiece for the esteemed Monaco Yacht Show, goes beyond the conventional notion of a motorhome and embodies a degree of custom luxury and engineering skill that was previously only found in superyachts and private aircraft. After a thorough examination of both the exterior and interior design, it becomes clear that this car is more than just a means of transportation, it is a rolling castle. The 2026 Brabus Royal Caravan's exterior is a forceful yet painstakingly designed piece of art. This caravan has a sculpted, aerodynamic appearance that is influenced by Brabus's high-performance automotive adaptations, in contrast to the boxy, utilitarian shapes of traditional RVs. Carbon fiber highlights would be incorporated into the side skirts, bumpers, and roofline, and the body would be painted in a distinctive Brabus color, possibly a deep, glossy black or a custom metallic shade. With enormous, specially made forged wheels and a suspension system that can be adjusted for height and performance, the car has an intimidating attitude. Its exclusive lineage would be obvious due to the prominent display of the signature Brabus badging. Unique lighting features, such dynamic LED strips along the length of the automobile and an elegant welcome sequence that lights up the area surrounding the caravan as it enters, would probably be incorporated into the Monaco Show Design. The word motorhome is instantly rendered obsolete inside the Brabus Royal Caravan. The interior is a handcrafted, completely customized suite made for a customer that expects nothing less than excellence. The lounge, unwavering opulence, is evident in the primary living space. The best hand-stitched leather would cover the seats, and the headrests would be embroidered with Brabus logos and a distinctive quilting design. High-gloss, polished hardwood, or even a rare stone would be used for the flooring, and a sophisticated ambient lighting system that can be completely adjusted to the mood of the occupants would be installed. The galley, or kitchen, would be a marvel of contemporary technology and design. Solid surface countertops, professional-grade, custom-built appliances, and clever storage options would all be included. From the flatware to the faucets, every element would be specially made for this car. The master suite, with a king-size bed, a walk-in closet, and a cutting-edge entertainment system, the bedroom would be a private haven. The en-suite bathroom would be just as opulent, featuring marble walls, a full-size shower, and privacy features made of smart glass. Technology and features: a central, user-friendly smart home system that can be accessed by a touchscreen or a specific Brabus app controls the entire trailer. The multi-zone music system, concealed entertainment screens, climate management, and security would all be controlled by this system. To ensure total self-sufficiency, the caravan would also be outfitted with a strong power generation system and satellite internet. The 2026 Brabus Royal Caravan is a statement of automotive creativity and engineering prowess, not just a luxurious RV. It is a novel idea that blurs the distinction between a high-performance car and an opulent mobile home, setting a new standard for luxury travel and catering to the most affluent clientele in the world.